What's up, y'all? Sean Wilson here, Senior Director of Organizing and Partnerships. I'm here at Milwaukee Oaks Screen Printing, checking out the Day of Empathy shirts that we're going to be sending to our leaders all across the country. As you all know, empathy is happening across the nation. Next week, Day of Empathy, Washington State. If you win Washington State, come on out, participate, and have some conversations with your elected officials about criminal justice reform in Washington State. I'm a pro.
This is Enrique, owner of Milwaukee Oaks Screen Printing, T-shirt booming, and today I'm printing shirts for Dream.org, really important organization. Criminal justice system has impacted so many people's communities, especially mine. And as a Latino business, we pride ourselves on working with the community in order to make our community a better place. So Dream.org is a really great organization doing a lot of that work that we want to see in our community, and we pride ourselves on being a part of that change. Being a screen printing shop that focuses on giving young people a youth internship to teach them the soft skills, the 21st century skills that we call workforce development. Go ahead.
Alright, give me a second. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna say.
What's up, y'all? I just stopped by Milwaukee Oaks Screen Printing to check out the Day of Empathy shirts. As you all know, we have Day of Empathy happening all across the country in about 15 states. Next week, Washington State.